Wondering how to make your drawings float in water? First, make sure your spoon or mirror is dry before drawing. Then draw any cute pattern you like. Be sure to draw thick and continuous lines for best floating results. Wait a few seconds for your drawing to dry. Tilt spoon and slowly dip it into water. Proceed slowly only after the edge starts to float.
And now let's unlock more fun together.
Use a small piece of glossy paper to paste a floating pattern. Then transfer the pattern to your hand or other smooth surfaces you want. Try once again. Please be very careful when removing the paper. The patterns can be easily cleaned.